Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer earnings from Etsy star seller payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer earnings from Etsy star seller payments, begin by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to your Shop Manager dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Finances. Next, select Payment Account from the drop-down menu. You will see an overview of your earnings and available funds. Locate the Transfer button, usually found near your available balance. Click on the Transfer button to initiate the process. A new screen will appear, displaying your available funds and transfer options. Choose the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm that your payment information is correctly linked to your. If necessary, add a bank account or update your existing details for the transfer. Once everything looks correct, click on Review Transfer. A summary will be displayed for your confirmation. Make sure to double-check all details before proceeding. If all information is accurate, click the Confirm Transfer button. You will receive a notification indicating that your transfer is being processed. Typically, transfers take a few business days to reflect in your bank account. Monitor your email for any updates regarding your transfer status. Once received, check your bank account to confirm the funds have arrived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.